my name is Bruce McDermott and I come from England. 17 years in Pattaya now. I work in education, program supervisor at Sawang Boyboon Foundation, which is not far from here. And then a couple of weeks before I came here, I suffered what I thought to believe was a hernia, and because Jomtien Hospital had just opened, I decided to come and find out a little bit more about it, really. It put me at ease when I realised that that this new hospital had a link to Bangkok Pattaya. And then I went to see Dr. Sechit and told me that it was an inguinal hernia. Everything went very quickly. I could be seen, which obviously is amazing for me because we don't get that kind of service back in the UK.
The medical history, he has operations about hernia in the past 16 years in United Kingdom. And he clearly understood the situation. We conclusion to undergo operation right away if he available. And yes, he underwent to operation a day after.
So I decided that I was very comfortable with him being a surgeon after the information that he gave me, and literally within 24 hours, I think I was in the hospital again. Yeah. So that was good.
Standard, we have two techniques: one open surgery and two laparoscopic or keyhole surgery. Then I recommended him for open surgery because it's safety and affordable. Operation took 45 minutes and everything went well.
Any surgery is worrying. The staff put me at ease, made me comfortable, and it's something that had to be done. And the nursing staff, they are aware of the uncomfortable circumstances that an operation will bring upon you. They do recommend that for this type of surgeries to try and get up and start exercising straight away. Gentle walking. Well, for me, being a non-native to Thailand, you obviously need to be put at ease and have staff that can communicate with you in your own language, and more importantly have a doctor stroke surgeon who's going to perform surgery on you to be able to communicate and speak a sort of a high standard of English, which he did. Everything's now connecting back together.